Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. My name is Yenitza. This is gonna be my first YouTube video. If you guys want to see how I did this look, then keep on watching. First, I'm going in with my Pond's Clarant B3 moisturizer. For my primer, I'm using the Revlon Rose Glow Hydrating Illuminating Primer. For foundation, I'm going in with the I Am Magic foundation by Juvias in the shade Ibiza 530. I'm not sure if that's exactly how you say it. The concealer I'm applying is the e.l.f. Hydrating Camo Concealer in the shade Light Beige. This concealer is super affordable and it is super good. For the setting powder, I'm using the Wet n Wild Photo Focus Loose Setting Powder in the shade Banana. Next, I'm taking the Physicians Formula Butter Bronzer and I'm applying it with a Morphe E4 brush. As you can see, for now, I'm only applying the powder under my cheeks and as well as on my chin. With a BH Cosmetics powder brush, I'm just dusting off the powder that I had baked my under eye with. Next, using Kylie Cosmetics Pressed Blush Powder in the shade We're Going Shopping, and I'm applying it with a BH Cosmetics blush brush. For highlighter, I'm using the Juvias Loose Highlighter in the shade Nefertiti with a Morphe M510 brush. For my eyebrows, I use the NYX Eyebrow Gel in the shade Brunette with a Morphe M158 brush. I did do my eyebrows off camera, so now I'm just going to apply some concealer on my lids as a primer and blending it in with the Beauty Blender. To start off my eyeshadow, I'm going in with the Jaclyn Vol.2 palette. The first shade I'm diving into is the shade Perfectionist. It's this light brown shade. I will be using this as my transition shade, so I'm blending it on the very outside of my lids. For the second shade, I'm gonna be applying the shade Nyx. Is this very deep brown but also maroonish color. I really don't know how to explain it. I'm placing this on my outer crease just to deepen it up, but I'm also taking it to my inner crease, blending it in with the transition shade. The next shade I'm using, it's the shade Kayze. It's a deeper maroonish color. Like I said, it's like brown between maroon, and then I'm just gonna deepen up my crease more with that, but also going back and forth and blending it in with the other colors. To cut my crease, I'm using the Morphe M421 brush. As I finish cutting my crease, I always go back and blend it in with my finger and also like dab the brush with it so the concealer won't be too harsh. To set my lid, I'm taking the shade Tipsy Girl. It's this very hot pink. It's so pretty. I love the shade. After I make sure all my colors are blended, I'm gonna go in with a NYX Glitter and a Kiss Lash Glue with a Morphe detailed brush, just so I can apply some glitter liner to make my crease more precise and of course more sparkly. After this, I'm just gonna dip in some powder and set my forehead. For lashes, I'm gonna be wearing the Kayze Cosmetics in the style Exquisite. These eyelashes are so pretty. Before applying them, I'm gonna go ahead and curl my eyelashes and also apply some Avocado mascara. This mascara is so freaking good. I purchased it from Mexico. It literally leaves your lashes so freaking pretty. Next, I'm gonna be using the NYX Vinyl liquid liner in the shade Black. To top it off, I'm going to be applying the lashes. For my under lash line, I'm just repeating the same steps as my eyelids. To line my lips, I'm gonna be wearing the Kylie lip liner in the shade Ice Latte. For my lipstick, I had applied a light nude, which I didn't like, and then I went ahead and applied the Morphe liquid lipstick in the shade Taunt, which I thought would go more with this look. Lastly, for my eyes, I'm gonna be applying some of the highlighter to my inner corners. To set this look, I'm gonna be wearing the Do Me in the Jungle by Wet n Wild setting mist. Thank you guys so much for watching. That's gonna be it for this video. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Also, follow me on my social medias. I will be listing all the products down in the description box below. Can you tell that I'm really feeling myself in these segments? See you guys on the next one. Bye bye.